Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to replace a toilet valve seal. I turn off the toilet shut-off valve, flush the toilet. Push in these points and remove the tank lid. Rotate and remove the flush valve float. Remove the flush valve seal. Clean the lime scale. Replace the old seal with new. It's difficult to show you what I'm doing with the camera, so I make an animation. This is the two parts. This is the mechanism. This is the top view of the first part. This is the side view of the second part. In both parts have marks who must be aligned. Push the second part and rotate it until the seal. Open the valve. Check if the seal works. With this screw I adjust the water level. Connect the mechanism with the flush button. Other models have different connection with the button.